In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat within Clickup. Imagine having all your project discussions neatly organized alongside your tasks in the same interface. This is what Clickup's chat feature offers. A seamless way to handle team communications with the same ease you'd expect from any other messaging platform, but all bundled inside Clickup. First, to begin using the chat feature, you'll need to enable the Chat Click app. This is essential because it activates the chat function, allowing you to start connecting with your team. Head over to your workspace settings. Once there, look for the Click Apps section. You'll find a variety of tools available for your workspace, but our focus today is the Chat Click app. Spot it and then simply toggle it on. That's it. You've now activated chat in your workspace. You'll notice that the chat icon has appeared on the sidebar of your Clickup interface, which is your gateway to all internal conversations. Now, accessing the chat is straightforward. Look for the newly minted chat icon in the sidebar. Click on it, and this will lead you to a sidebar listing of your channels and direct messages. It's similar to opening your favorite messaging app where all your contacts and group discussions are just a click away. Additionally, ClickUp provides the flexibility to create new chat views for specific lists or projects. This means you can tailor conversations directly around a particular task or project, ensuring all discussions are contextually relevant. Using the chat feature is intuitive and mirrors what you're already accustomed to with other messaging tools. For example, to open a channel or start a direct message, just click on the desired conversation. Typing and sending messages are done in a familiar fashion. Type what you want to say in the designated area and hit send. To notify a teammate, use the @ symbol followed by their name. This will ping them just like it does in many other platforms, keeping everyone in the loop. Another handy feature is task linking. By typing @task followed by the task name, you link that task directly into your chat, making it easy to reference or update as needed. ClickUp Chat doesn't stop there, though. It supports advanced functionalities such as screen recording, voice recording, and file attachments to enhance your communication experience. And with ClickUp's AI integration, you can really elevate your efficiency. You can have the AI summarize conversations, which saves time when catching up on missed discussions. You can even create tasks from within chat messages, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Additionally, there is a helpful feature called Catch Me Up, which provides a summary of past conversations. Perfect for when you've been away from the chat for a while. Lastly, if you're looking to escalate a conversation from text to voice or video, use the Sync Ups feature to start audio or video calls or even screen sharing sessions with your team members. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using chat within ClickUp. By incorporating this tool into your workflow, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and keep everyone aligned and informed, all within the ecosystem of your project management tool.